Well, on behalf of the Mazenod community, it's with great pleasure to be able to officially welcome you to Mazenod College for 2023. My name is Dr. Paul Shannon and I am the college principal. And to our new Year 7s, you're about to commence a new phase in your educational journey which will provide many opportunities and challenges for you to learn and explore new ideas and skills. I encourage you to immerse yourself in all aspects of college life, the faith, the spiritual, academic and co-curricular activities. You are coming into a college with a great history and tradition, where those who have gone before us have left solid footprints for us to follow and build upon. It's up to you now to follow these footprints to support and shape your own journey. Equally, there's a need to develop new pathways for others to follow. Leave nothing undared, for the kingdom of God are not just words to inspire, they are a call to action. Welcome to Mazenod.